I love polka dots because they're classic and timeless, and these are sort of painted dots that have a gray wash and sort of the rawness of a picture that was just illustrated with watercolors. Again, the pillow can be used in so many different ways, and this pillow is really multi-purpose. So I stack two together, and you have a 14-inch seat height, and you can have tea or whatever and sort of chat with a friend. I like having tea at this level, and of course stacking them, creating shapes with them, doing this big old shape that just is a perfect shape for comfort, for putting your back into it. Super easy and light, and whenever you have a pillow, you're saying relax and kind of chill. People like to have pillows like this too on their beds and seating areas, but the great thing about this pillow like this is you can sit in it, and it can be a yoga pillow, a meditation pillow, and really sort of balance in it and feel centered. I use it all the time when I meditate. I especially like to relax into it, and sometimes I do very long meditations for breath work and some other types of practices I enjoy. And if I'm in that position for a really long time, I'm still having the blood flow, and by sitting in here, it sort of balances the weight of your body on your legs, your ankles, and your knees. So for those of you who practice yoga, this is a great assist. For those of you who enjoy meditation or want to get into it, I really think you'll like this pillow. And then if you just like pillows to say, welcome home, welcome to my home, feel super comfortable and rest on this pillow. I like being able to create different shapes and different areas with the pillows. So this is where I would sit and have a cup of tea on my polka dot pillows.